This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to use Clio Notes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, managing notes within Clio can streamline your workflow and keep everything neatly organized. Let's dive right in and see how you can get the most out of this feature. First, head over to your Clio dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access all your important tools and features. Look towards the top left corner of your screen and you'll notice a button labeled with a plus sign and the word New. This is your gateway to creating a variety of new entries, including notes. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Note. This will open up a new window where you can begin crafting your note. Once you have your new note window open, it's time to fill in the details. This is where you really get to customize your note to suit your needs. Start by entering a title for your note. The title should be concise yet descriptive enough so that you can easily identify it later. Next, you have the option to fill in the main body of your note. This is where you can jot down all the important details, ideas, or reminders you want to capture. Keep in mind that the more detailed and organized your notes are, the easier it will be to reference them in the future. After you've filled in the main content of your note, it's important to consider the metadata. Metadata serves as additional information that can help categorize and organize your notes. Things like tags or related matters can be included here. For instance, if the note is related to a specific client or case, you can link it to that particular file. Not only does this keep your notes organized, but it also helps you quickly find related information when you need it. Once you've filled out all the necessary details and metadata, it's time to save your note. Saving ensures that your information is securely stored and easily accessible whenever you need it. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom or top corner of your note window. Click on it, and just like that, your note is now part of your Clio database. Remember, notes are a powerful tool within Clio that can greatly enhance your productivity and organization. They allow you to capture essential information quickly and keep everything in one place. Plus, with the ability to link notes to specific matters or clients, you can maintain a strong connection between your documentation and your cases. That's it, you've successfully created and saved a note in Clio. Using this feature consistently can really help in managing your workload and ensuring that no important details slip through the cracks. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on how to use Clio Notes. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Clio experience. Happy note-taking, and see you next time.